There's no way I was this far. Ooh, I just snagged on something. I definitely have something. There's definitely something on here. It's either gonna be a branch or a fishing pole. I'm betting on branch because it feels heavy. Oh. Hello everybody, we are attempting to get back our rods today. I know exactly where I flipped, and I saw a YouTube video showing how to achieve said goal. So we are going to try to do that. I'm feeling a little uncomfortable right now. I don't know why. The boat feels a little unstable. I'm just gonna take it slow. Oh, there's a little baby something over there. I know about where I lost them, my rods. It's 30 something degrees out. Oh no, okay. I lost my paddle, not a big deal. Just gonna stay calm. I'm not about to try to lean over and grab that. I got it. If you might have already expected, we're gonna attempt to get my stuff back. I'm gonna switch to my paddle though, because I want to be accurate with the location. Gotta put my gloves down. Okay, I'm pretty close. It's farther out. I think I'm just gonna turn around a little bit. Actually, I got a better idea. I'm gonna just go backwards. I need to line myself up with exactly where I was. What? It's farther down. Okay. Alright, it's fine. Frustrating. I'm nervous and I don't want to go out deeper, but I just need to have faith the Lord will protect me and correct my mistakes to bring me back home. We should be really close. Let's give it a go. So we're gonna take this and unhook all these. And we're gonna give it a nice swing. Drop it down. Nothing. We drifted way off, that's why. I guess it steers better when the rudder's up. Way too close to the shore. Okay, the good news is we're really close. If I can hold steady in this spot, trying to a bit parallel to the shore here. Should be right in front. Doesn't feel like there's anything on it. Nope. Well, I'm not gonna catch anything if I don't cast something, so. Oop. I had something snagged down there. Could have been a plant. I feel like I got something. I definitely am snagged on something. I definitely feel like there was something there. I think we need to go a little bit farther out though. Alright, let's do some dragging. Something right there. Oh, I had something. I mean, I was hoping to just like go right to where it was and snag it like the first time. It's frustrating. Just gonna drag it behind me and just comb this spot. I hope it's dragging. The water's super calm right now. It's perfect. Okay, I'm literally right over the spot I flipped. Why is this down? Right, oh, here we go. Well, at least we located a general area. I'm gonna have to go back to the video and confirm. I'm gonna wait like 20 seconds, 10 seconds now probably. To start pulling it up. I feel like I got something. Feels heavier than normal. Probably not. Nah, I don't got nothing. Nope. Double check. I'm a little bit past. No, not there yet. Apparently, it thinks I'm like right. I just gotta go back and look at the video again. Oh man, bunched up again. Ugh. All right, I'm just gonna drop it here and drag it. Just gonna wait for it to fall. Okay. Time to drag it. I'm gonna go right to where, like parallel to where it says I was. And then I'm just gonna kind of drag across like this. I don't think I was right here, but we'll see. Hands are definitely getting cold. Okay, you know what? We're gonna try the anchor. I feel like this thing's just floating, and I need something to stick to the bottom and just drag. Bringing out the big gun. First, we go to about where it says we flipped, or around there, parallel, which we're kind of like a little bit behind, but we're out the distance we need to be, which is about parallel to the bathroom. Yep. About. Not, it's only a 3-pound anchor, so we're just going a little bit past where it says we flipped. Drop our anchor right here. Worst case scenario, we have to let go of our anchor, but hopefully we don't have to do that. So we're gonna drag it right over here. Hopefully there's no logs or something like that. Hopefully we can drag it. You know, if I break the reels or the rods, not a huge deal. If I got the reels back, you know, great. Oh, It stopped us. It's like, hang on there, buddy. Yeah, it's definitely on something. Probably got a log or a branch. Yeah. We got it unstuck. Try it again. Man, it just stopped us again. I wonder if it really just sinks into the... I wonder if it's too heavy. I wonder if it really just does sink into the dirt. We got hooked onto something again. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, we got loose. Maybe it's too heavy. Let's get away from that spot. I never used an anchor before, so I thought I could at least drag it. That's really wow. Okay. Looks like we can't use the anchor. It really does a really good job of anchoring you. Bummer. It's alright. We're gonna go back to this. It's fine. It's alright. You know, if the Lord wills it. What? Okay. I'm hoping this thing sinks enough to... I'm gonna pedal. Basically, I'm gonna throw it to my right, or let it drop to my right. I'm gonna circle around until I get parallel with the bathroom. And I'm gonna hope that sinks enough to scrape the bottom. So here I go. Circle around like this. Wanted to get a little closer. I don't want to go too fast in case it gets snagged on a log or something. It's all bunched up. Look at this. It's just all bunched up. Come on, really? Just gonna go slow. I know I definitely wasn't this far away. So right now I have my hand on the line and I can feel it, and I'm slowly creeping along the bottom. I'm pulling on it until it kind of like gets to under me, I think. And then we're gonna go a little bit more. I'm just gonna keep going this way. Yeah, I need to go more out. I'm a little less nervous now. Still very wary of turning around. Ooh. It definitely snagged on something just then. I'm like really slowly dragging. So instead of like pulling it up constantly, I'm just leaving it on the bottom until I feel like it's got something. Do I have something? Alright. Can't tell if I have something or... probably not. Nope. Alright. We have a system down though. We do have a system. Lord willing. Oh man. I was like, hey, see if I can put my gloves on and they're all wet. No. Alright, so we're gonna stay in this general area. We're doing good. I'm cold, but I'm not too cold. I can endure. We're gonna go past where I thought I flipped, and then we're gonna drag that, and then we're gonna go way past where I thought I flipped also on the other side, just in case the current did in fact move them. There's no way I was this far. Ooh, I just snagged on something. I definitely have something. There's definitely something on here. It's either gonna be a branch or a fishing pole. I'm betting on branch because it feels heavy. Oh, no. It just let go. Ah, bummer. I wanted to wait to see if that was at least a fishing pole. Ah, man. That was the first legit thing we got, though. That was good. Kind of want to throw it back over there. Let it sink. See if I could snag it again. There's no way. It shouldn't be over here, but you never know. You never know. I definitely had something though, so that's good. That's a good sign that it's working. There's no way I had it was over here, but you know, I guess you never know. I definitely feel it dragging. All right, I'm gonna leave it here, and then circle wide just in case the GPS is wrong or I have it wrong, and then I was further out than I thought I was, and then we're gonna get closer than I thought I was. The good news is it doesn't feel like there's a ton of stuff on the bottom, which is good. I feel like I snagged something right there. It broke loose. I feel like if it was snagging on a fishing pole, it would have definitely grabbed it with all those hooks sticking out. All right, plan B. I'm just gonna slowly, because I'm getting cold. I need to work it. Just gonna go down to the end here, turn around. Yeah, I'm gonna get down to this one spot down here and then dredge close to the bank and then call it, because I'm cold, my hands are cold, and then we'll try another day. No luck. I need to skedaddle though, because my hands are freezing. I just need to go a little faster. First I gotta get back my rope, I guess. So I gotta pull that in. Maybe when it's a little warmer, I can spend the day out here. But not right now. It is cold. And my hands are freezing. Looking for my fishing rods. Yep, I was scraping the bottom, and no luck. I'll try when it's warmer. It's Boondocks landing gear. Yeah, Boondocks. Just Google Boondocks landing gear and you'll see the website. Yep.